2 persons are dead and 3 others nursing bullet wounds following a gun attack in Rose High, St. James this morning. The community is also tense as residents fear more attacks. It's reported that about 8:30, a group of persons was on the Rose Heights main road when gunmen approached them and opened fire, hitting them. They were taken to hospital where Dwayne Stenneth and a man identified only as Tino were pronounced dead. The residents are complaining about the new flare-up of violence in their community.
It's like a woman conceive and after 9 months she can't bring forth a child. I'm saying all of that because this community has gone through everything to make it better, you know. We have introduced peace, the way forward, and it has been rejected. It has been, I said over and over, there has been no support, and it is so bad. You know, my heart is really broken this morning.
The police say they have identified 3 suspects connected with the shooting. However, their identities have not been released.